Your sink shouldn't gurgle, and when it does, it's usually a warning sign. So we're here to help you understand what might be happening. Most of the time, this can be a simple fix. But before we get there, let's talk about most common reasons your sink might be gurgling. Number 1, air trapped in the P-trap. When bubbles get stuck, they fight against water flow. And that struggle is what you hear as gurgling. If you think this might be the issue, click here to watch more on how to clear and inspect your P-trap. Number 2, clogged drains. This is a super common reason for that gurgling sound. That's because things like grease, oil, pasta, and even coffee grounds can build up and block water. Number 3, vent pipe issues. Your vent pipe keeps air moving through your system. So if they're blocked or installed wrong, your sink will let you know. All 3 disrupt water flow, and if ignored, that small sound can turn into a bigger problem. So how can you fix it? Great question. There's a few DIY things that you can try, but my personal recommendation for you would be try using a plunger for minor clogs, a drain auger for tougher ones, or a natural cleaner like baking soda and vinegar. And as someone who has been doing this for 10 years, I'm begging you to skip the harsh drain cleaning chemicals. They won't help you in the long run and can eat away at your pipes. Let's talk about how you can keep this from happening again. Something I see often are clogged drains because homeowners are dumping grease and starchy foods down the drain. It's a simple fix. Use your trash can instead of your sink. You'll be surprised how much that habit can pay off over time. Let's say you try one of these home remedies, but the noise keeps coming back. Well, then you know it's time to call a professional plumber. Repeated gurgling or multiple sinks gurgling could point to a sewer line issue. Those need expert tools to fix. If you've tried the DIY options and your sink won't stop gurgling, Parker & Sons is here for you. If you live in the Phoenix or Tucson area, please give us a call today. We've been tackling home plumbing problems for 50 years and we'd love to help you too. Thanks for watching.